Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on AWS announcements in reInvent 2023. In this video, we are going to see what are all the new announcements by the AWS on reInvent. For detailed description about each and every announcements, I had already created a blog post. I will add the link for the blog post in this video. Please go through that blog post for the detailed information about each and every announcements. So let's start with the specific announcements on the analytics related services. AWS is introducing a highly durable Amazon OpenSearch service clusters with 30% price bar performance improvement. AWS Clean Rooms differential privacy enhances a privacy protection of your users' data. This is in preview mode. AWS Clean Rooms ML help customers and partners to apply ML models without sharing the raw data, again in preview mode. Announcing the Amazon OpenSearch service zero ETL integration with S3, again in preview. New generative AI capabilities for Amazon Data Zone further simplify the data cataloging and discovery. It is in preview mode again. Analyzing the large amount of graph data and get insights and find trends using a new service called Amazon Neptune Analytics. New Amazon Q in QuickSight uses the generative AI assistant for quicker and easier data insights, again in preview mode. Use anomaly detection with AWS Glue to improve the data quality, again in preview. Amazon CloudWatch Logs now offers the automated pattern analysis and anomaly detection. Coming to the application integration, AWS Step Functions Workflow Studio is now available in AWS Application Composer, and announcing the throughput increase for the dead letter queue redrive support for Amazon SQS FIFO queues and EDA at scale with new AWS B2B data interchange. Coming to the AWS marketplace, we can easily deploy the SaaS products with a new quick launch in the AWS marketplace. With respect to the cloud FinOps or financial management, now we can check the AWS free tier usage programmatically using the new API. There is a new service called Cost Optimization Hub, which centralizes the recommended options to save your money. When it comes to the compute, AWS introduced some new instance types, typically on the memory optimized AWS Graviton 4 powered Amazon EC2 instances, which comes with the flavor of R8G. And AWS introduced Amazon EC2 high memory U7i instances for large in memory databases. When it comes to the contact center, new generative AI features in Amazon Connect, which includes the Amazon Q, which facilitate improved contact center service. When it comes to the containers, AWS Managed Service for Prometheus Collector provides the agentless metric collection for Amazon EKS. Amazon EKS pod identity simplifies IAM permissions for applications on the Amazon EKS clusters. On the database section, Amazon Redshift adds new AI capabilities, which includes Amazon Q to boost the efficiency and productivity. This is simply like creating the SQL statements using the natural language. Vector search for Amazon Document DB, which includes the MongoDB capability, is now generally available. Amazon DynamoDB zero ETL integration with Amazon OpenSearch is now available. Amazon Elastic Cache serverless for Reddish and Memcached is now available. We can join the preview of Amazon Aurora Limitless database. And one more new addition to the flavor of the RDS, DB2 is available. Previously, AWS offers 6 versions of RDS. Now the 7th version of DB2 is added to it. When it comes to the developer tools, AWS Fault Injection Service to demonstrate multi-region and multi-AC application resistance is added, and IDE extension for AWS Application Composer, which enhances the visual modern application development with AI-generated IAC. This is quite an interesting feature. We can generate the infrastructure as code using the generative AI. Upgrade your Java applications using Amazon Q code transformation, which is in preview. Again, it saves a lot of cost if you want to migrate from one version of Java to the other version of Java using generative AI. Improve developer productivity with generative AI powered Amazon Q in Amazon Code Catalyst. Again, in the preview mode, Amazon Code Catalyst introduces custom blueprints and a new enterprise tier. When it comes to the end user computing, Amazon introduces new workspaces thin client, which provides a cost effective secure access to virtual desktops. Amazon introduces cross region data duplication for the Amazon workspaces. Gen AI and machine learning. To be very frank, Reinvent 2023 is predominantly focused on this specific area. So, lot of announcements which happened on Gen AI and machine learning. So, here it comes. So, Amazon SageMaker Studio adds web-based interface, code editor, flexible workspaces, and streamlines user onboarding. Package and deploy models faster with new tools and guided workflows in Amazon SageMaker. We can use natural language to explore and prepare data with a new capability in Amazon SageMaker Canvas. Again, a generative AI based capability there. Amazon SageMaker adds new inference capabilities to help reduce foundation model deployment cost and latency. Leverage foundation models for business analysis at scale with SageMaker Canvas. Amazon SageMaker Clarify makes it easier to evaluate and select the foundation models, which is in preview mode. Evaluate, compare, and select the best foundation models for your use case in Amazon Bedrock, again in preview. Introducing SageMaker Hyperpod, a purpose-built infrastructure for distributed training at scale. Amazon Titan image generated multi-model embeddings and text models are now available in Amazon Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock now provides access to the Anthropic latest model, Claude 2.1. Introducing Amazon Q, a new generative AI powered assistant, which is in preview mode. This is one of the fascinating features which cut across varieties of AWS services. Previously, we saw how Amazon Q is integrated with Redshift, Amazon Q is integrated with Code Catalyst. This is one of the interesting feature which they are introducing. Amazon Q brings in a generative AI powered assistant to IT pros and developers. Guardrails for Amazon Bedrock helps to implement safeguards, customized use cases, and responsible AI policies. Agents for Bedrock is now available with improved control of orchestration and visibility into reasoning. Customize models in Amazon Bedrock with your own data using fine tuning and continued pre-training. Knowledge bases now delivers fully managed RAG experience in Bedrock. Amazon Transcribe Call Analytics add Gen AI powered call summaries. Build generative AI apps using step functions and Amazon Bedrock. This is a kind of integration between step functions and Bedrock. Previously, we must have to use Lambda to do this. Now, with step functions, it is pretty easy to develop applications on Bedrock. Amazon Code Whisperer offers new AI-powered code remediation, IX support, and integration with Visual Studio. So, with the help of this new addition, we can use Code Whisperer in the typical Visual Studio IDE, which will generate all sets of code for the developers. When it comes to the management and governance, Amazon CloudWatch application signals for automatic instrumentation of your applications is in preview. New My Applications in AWS Management Console simplifies managing your application resources. Use Amazon CloudWatch to consolidate hybrid, multi-cloud, and on-premises metrics. Use natural language to query Amazon CloudWatch logs and metrics in preview. Again, a kind of Amazon Q integration. New CloudWatch logs log class for infrequent access logs at a reduced price. Networking and content delivery. Zonal auto shift automatically shifts your traffic away from the availability zones, which we detect potential issues. Mutual authentication for application load balancer reliably verifies certificate based client identities. External endpoints and testing of task states are now available in AWS step functions. Security, identity, and compliance. 3 new capabilities for Amazon Inspector broaden the realm of vulnerability scanning for your workloads. AWS Control Tower adds 65 new controls. Amazon Detective adds new capabilities to accelerate and improve your cloud security investigations. Detect runtime security threats in Amazon ECS, Fargate, and in Amazon Guard Duty. IAM Access Analyzer updates. You can find the unused access, checks the policies before deployment. All these new features got added to the IAM Access Analyzer. When it comes to the serverless, vector engine for Amazon OpenSearch serverless is now available. Previously, it was in preview mode. Now they are making it as the generally available. AWS Lambda functions now scale 12 times faster when handling the high volume request. When it comes to storage, there is a new Amazon S3 Express One Zone, which is introduced for high performance storage class. Amazon EBS Snapshots Archive is now available with AWS Backup. Replication Fileback and increased IOPS for new Amazon EFS. Automatic restore testing and validation now available for AWS Backup. Optimize your storage cost for rarely accessed files with Amazon EFS Archive. And they announced the on-demand data replication for Amazon FSS for OpenZFX. and they introduced shared VPC support for Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP, and new scale-out file systems for Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP. Flex Group volume management for Amazon FSx for NetApp ONTAP is now available. When it comes to the quantum computing, we can reserve the quantum computers to get the guidance and cutting-edge capabilities using the Amazon Bracket Direct. I hope this video has been informative for you. This is a quite a small video which I try to consolidate all the AWS reInvent announcements. I put up a blog, detailed blog for all these things. I put the post for that blog as well in this link of this YouTube video. So please go through that blog. That blog will provide you more detailed insights. Thank you very much for watching this video.